This video is for you to learn some basics on how to use Edulastic for formative assessment. One of the things I love about Edulastic is that it does sync with your Google Classrooms that you already have created. I have one that is not showing here, so I wanted to show you how to do that. So you click on Manage Class and then sync with Google Classroom. It's going to pick up every Google Classroom that I am a member of or I am a teacher of. So you're going to need to go through the list and make sure that you only have highlighted the ones that you actually want to join. I do recommend you always keep the ones that you already currently have in there clicked as well. Because if you have any new students that have joined your class, this is how you will sync them into the classroom as well. So once you have everything clicked that you need, you're going to click import. And once the import is over, any new students that you have will show up under your student counts over here. Then you can click back on this little dial for your dashboard and you will see the demo class is there. Now I like to go to my library, and this is where all of my assessments that I've already created are located. From this location, I also can create my assessment. There is this option as well, which is where there is a question bank that you can actually search by subject, by standard, and also has a multiple variety of questions. For example, for math, you're looking at over 211,000 questions that are already been created. And they're based on standards. They're based on different tests that from different states. So it's a good resource there. Again, going back to my library, I'm going to create an assessment. And I like to create an assessment based off of a PDF that I already have, anything that you may have on your desktop. Google Drive even, or if you want to just create from a blank, you can do that as well. So this is going to be right from my desktop. And I'm going to be doing Unit 6 Selection 1 test. And I also want to make sure that I change the title of my test up here. Unit 6, Selection 1, and I'm actually going to take this as a quiz. All right, so here are my options. I have multiple choice, multiple selection. So if it's going to be more than one option, text entry, numeric, essay, and expression evaluator. I am going to click on text entry. And I'm going to place my box here. And this first one is going to be the word obey. And I'm also going to give them the option, maybe they type one letter wrong, single letter mistake. Being that they have a word bank, hopefully they won't. If I want to change the point value, if I want to make it 5 points, I can make it as many points as I want and click accept. Now, if you want your numbers to match up with your questions on your paper, you need to go in order. Otherwise, the next box I create is going to be number 2, and it may not match up with question 9. So if I show you multiple choice, you'll see what I'm talking about with it being number 2. It's not going to match up with number 9. But again, I can do it like that. Also, just a quick rule of thumb, if say you only have an A-B choice or an ABC and not 4 options, you can go in and you can take this off and you can put it as AB or whatever it is that you may actually have available for the child to choose or student to choose. And my correct answer for this one, I'm going to put in this, click accept. And so now I'm going to hit review. I'm going to click this box so they can find the standards. You can search for your standards. I already have mine already chosen. I'm just going to choose one. All right, so after you hit publish, you're going to come here and you can change your privacy settings so that maybe there's another person in your school that you want to be able to share that with, or maybe you want to share it with people in the district altogether. So you have a sharing link here. I'm just going to hit save. And then I'm going to assign. and it's going to give me the option to assign it to what class that I want to assign it to. And being that I have a demo class, I'm going to assign it to my demo. I can also choose when do I want it to open and when do I want it to close, and do I want it to automatically do it on those dates. So if I'm going to assign it, let's say I don't want this to actually post until tomorrow morning, I can change it to the time that I want at 8 a.m. And then I'm actually going to end the test, let's say on Thursday at 11 p.m. Done. It'll automatically start at that time. It'll automatically, oops, I changed this on accident. It'll automatically start on that time. It'll automatically end on the time that I've set it as well. All right. And then once you click assign, it'll go just to that class, and you can actually share as a graded assignment, and you'll be able to see it in your Google Classroom. So I hope this video helps, and good luck.